Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I don't know if it's just me. I've been waiting, man, but something about this season is just not giving about Izingane Zesthembu. And it just made me think, guys, remember season 1, how flat season 1 is? It was only season 2, and I'm just thinking to myself, could it be the fact that uVuyokazi is no longer part of the cast members, and that's why the show is kind of flat? I don't know, you guys, but there's just something that's not giving. But I also feel like content I don't even know what to say about it, but there is a little bit of recycling, because why are we talking about uMpilo changing a surname all over again, guys? I feel like we've exhausted this topic. But anyway, on the trailer of Izingane Zesthembu for tonight's episode, we see uMpilo speaking no mawakhe uMakhumalo and uMusa about this thing about changing her surname. Now we know uMpilo's biological mother wants ilobolo to be paid for uMpilo, but she is adamant ukuthi abakaidanga abantu bawamselegu in terms of paying for uMpilo. Now we see uMusa saying ukuthi, listen, if we get to a point where we will have to pay ilobolo for uMpilo, wena Mpilo awusayile emlazi. And I'm just thinking to myself, what does it mean, guys? Because noma so kanile, when you are married already, you still go and vagasha there by your home. So what does it mean ukuthi awusayi emlazi? I'm just like, uMusa, shame. Akakhulula inhliziyo and just do the right thing. Guys, kanti what is the history between uMpilo and uMusa? Because I just feel like it's that baby daddy, baby mama type of drama. But I'm just like, how old is uMpilo right now? She even graduated, guys, but no one is willing to humble themselves for the sake of uMpilo. Even now, uMusa is refusing to take out any additional cows or any additional money. uMpilo, this side, she is refusing to, meet uMusa or them celebs halfway. Guys, it's one in danger. That's why I saw uMpilo saying, and I agreed with her when she said, mina ngizovedana ngiziyele home affairs. Hi, Kelly, I will end up doing that as well myself if I was in her shoes. Because what is this? Anyway, Izingane Zesthembu, guys, they must bring us some sort of different, fresh content. I know it's easy for me to say because I'm not in their shoes, but come on, guys. I had such high expectations. Or maybe it's still too early on. Let's see, maybe Izithembu somjolo sikampumelelo, if maybe it's going to bring some zhoosh to this season, because it's not giving. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.